Hello friends, good morning to all. In previous video we are discuss about the nomenclature of alcohols. In that there is the common name system. First system is common name system. In that system we are naming the alcohols as like alkyl alcohols. For example, there is a CH3OH. I am already giving some examples of that common name systems, that is CH3OH, that is CH3 methyl OH alcohol, as like that methyl alcohol. Then after the second system, that is IUPAC system. You all already known about the IUPAC system, that is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. According to that system, the naming of an alcohols the naming of alcohols are named as alkanols. In common name system, alkyl alcohols, but in IPC system as like alkanols. That means if there is a alkane, spelling of alkane, that is ALKANE, but there is no E. By removing ending E, we replace OL, that is alkanol. That means if there is a parent alkane, that is methane, then by replacing E of methane, the ending E of methane by OL, the name of that compound, that is methanol. I will already giving some example of that naming system, that is IUPAC naming system. The ending E in the name of parent alkane, alkene or alkyne is replaced by prefix OL. If we are replace E of alkane, the ending E of alkane by OL, we get a name, that is alkanol. If we replace ending E of alkene, that is alkinol, as like that alkanol. That means the replacement of OL in place of ending E, we get a name, and that name is by IUPAC system of that alcohol. For naming polyhydric alcohols, that means which contains the hydroxyl group more than 1, 2, 3, as like that. Then alcohol, then E in the ending of alkane is retained. That means if there is a polyhydric alcohols, the ending E does not removed, it is retained. The ending OL is added. By retain it, the ending OL is added in that name, and number of OH group is indicated by prefix di, tri. If there is 2 hydroxyl group, then it is di. If 3, that is tri, as like that. In only polyhydric alcohols, the ending E does not remove. See here some examples. That is example number 1, CH3OH, that is methanol. The spelling of methane, that is METHANE, but there is no E. In place of E, there is OL. That means replacement of E of the parent alkane by OL, we get a new name, that is methanol, as like that. Methane to methanol. If the molecule contains only one carbon atom, we get methanol. If there is 3 carbon atoms, that is propanol. See here the second example, CH3 CH2 CH2OH, propane 1 all, because in the IUPAC nomenclature, the name of alcohol is giving by numbering the carbon atoms from which end where is a hydroxyl group is nearer to, or the end which is nearer to the hydroxyl group. That means there is hydroxyl group at the right side, then it is carbon number first, second and third. So at the first carbon atom, hydroxyl group is attached, so the name of that compound is propane, because it contains 3 carbon atoms. propane, the remaining of E of that propane, we replace OL, and the position of that OL is 1. At the position 1, that means propane 1 all, the name of that compound by IPC system. The second example, if the hydroxyl group is attached to the second carbon atom. See here, there is a straight chain, that is CH3, sorry, there is C is remains, CH3, CH2, CH, CH3. That means it contains 4 carbon atoms, giving the number of that chain or the carbon from that end which is nearer to the hydroxyl group. The hydroxyl group is nearer from that end, so there is 1, 2, 3 and the last one 4. That means the 4 carbon atom, that is butane. At the second carbon atom, the hydroxyl group is attached, so that is 2. That is CH3, CH2, CH, OH, CH3. Butane 2 all, because at the second position hydroxyl group is attached and it is an alcoholic group, so OL is replaced in place of E of a butane, we get butane 2 all. The next example, if there is a branch in a straight chain, we get the name of that compound as like that. Select the longest continuous carbon chain. There is 1, 2, 3. Give the number from that end which is nearer to the hydroxyl group. Then 1, 2, 3. That means the position first OH group is attached. At the second position there is a branch. That name of that branch is methyl. Where it is at the position second, so write 2. Name of that branch methyl, 2 methyl. The straight chain or parent chain, that is 1, 2, 3. It contains 3 carbon atom, so it is propane. But there is an hydroxyl group at the position 1, so propane 1 all or propane all. In place of E, we are replace OL. That is 2 methyl propane 1 all or 2 methyl propane all. The next example, there is 2 branches on the same carbon atom at which the hydroxyl group is attached. Select the longest continuous carbon chain. Where it is longest continuous carbon chain? See here. If we are consider that chain, that is 1, 2, it contains only 2 carbon atom, so you must select the chain as like that vertical, 1, 2, 3. At the second carbon atom there is hydroxyl group, and at the same carbon atom there is a branch, that is methyl branch at the second carbon atom. So 2 methyl propane 1, 2, 3, because it contains 3 carbon atoms, propane 2 all, 2 methyl propane 2 all. First upon write the position of branch and name of that branch, then after the parent chain, then after the OL or hydroxyl group, the position of hydroxyl group, then after the OL. The last one example, if the example contains 2 hydroxyl groups, that means polyhydric compounds. Here is 2 hydroxyl group at the carbon number first and second. We can give the numbering from each end, either one or either left side or right side, both are same. That is 1, 2. The chain contains only 2 carbon atoms, so it is ethane. See here, in the spelling of ethane, that is ETHANE. The E does not remove. Why? Because it is a polyhydric compound. That indicates it is a polyhydric compound. If we are write a E here, that is propene, that means it is considered as a polyhydric compound. If E is remain, that indicates it is a polyhydric compounds, that is ethane at position 1 and 2, that is 1, 2. How many hydroxyl group? There is 2 hydroxyl group, so it is di and OL, that is ethane 1, 2 diol, the name of that polyhydric compound. if it is a unsaturated compound or the parent chain is alkene, then see here CH3CH double bond CH CH2OH. The parent chain contains 4 carbon atoms, so it is but. It have only one hydroxyl group, so remove the E of last or ending from that parent chain. We are replacing, that is, if there is a alkene is a parent chain, alkane ANE is ending, alkene ENE is ending. Remove the E of ENE, write only EN. There is no ENE, only EN. But the position of double bond is indicated as but 2, because there is the second position at which the double bond is present. From the right side, hydroxyl group is present here, so give the numbering from that right side, 1 2. So at the second position double bond is present. Double bond is indicated by En, that is but 2 in, and the hydroxyl group is present at the first carbon atom, so it is 1 all. That means name of that compound but 2 in means double bond, 1 OL means hydroxyl. But means it contains 4 carbon atoms, 2 means at the second carbon atom, in means double bond is present, 1 at the first carbon atom, OL means hydroxyl group is present. Similarly, cyclic alcohols are named by using prefix cyclo. Cyclic alcohols means the ends of that chain is closed. See here, these are written as like that. That is cyclobutane. It contains 4 carbon atoms at the 4 corners, and there is a hydroxyl group at the 1 carbon atom. It can be written as like that: CH2 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 CHOH. How many carbon atoms in that molecule? There is 1 2 3 4. There is 4 carbon atoms, so it is a butane. There is a hydroxyl group, so removal of E by replacing OL, that is butanol. But it is cyclic, it is ring compound, so write cyclo. The name of that compound is cyclobutanol. The name of that compound is cyclobutanol. Same the next example, that is cyclopentanol or 2-ethyl cyclopentanol. There is 5 carbon atom chain, which is ring or closed chain. It can be written as like that, but there is one also extra branch at the carbon atom. You can write it as like that: CH2 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 CH OH CH CH2 SC2 H5. See here, where is the branch? Branch is here, that is the name of that branch is ethyl. Give the numbering from at which the hydroxyl group is attached. See here, hydroxyl group is attached to that carbon atom. It is first carbon, second, third, fourth, fifth. That means 1 2 3 4 and 5 carbon atom. At the first carbon atom there is an hydroxyl group. At the second carbon atom there is a branch, that is ethyl. So write the position of that branch is 2. The name of that branch is ethyl, that is 2-ethyl. That compound is cyclic or ring, so it is cyclo. It contains 5 carbon atoms, so it is pentane. It contains an hydroxyl group, so replacement of E by OL, we get the name, that is 2-ethyl cyclopentanol. Okay, as like that. Then after we will discuss about the nomenclature of phenols in the next period. Thank you.